Instant coffee plant solutions. Raw material pretreatment. Roasting. Grinding. Extraction. Concentration. Drying. Packaging. 1. Raw material pretreatment. Vibrating screen. Screens green coffee beans using multi-layer mesh. Achieves preliminary grading based on bean size and quality. Gravity dust toner. Effectively separates stones, metal, and heavy impurities. 2. Roasting. Drum coffee roaster. Green coffee beans enter the drum roaster. Precise temperature control develops unique color, flavor, and aroma. 3. Grinding. Roller grinder. Uniformly crushes and coarsely grinds roasted coffee beans. 4. Extraction. Multi-stage column extraction system. Hot water circulates countercurrently through various extraction columns. Extracts soluble coffee solids under high temperature and high pressure conditions. 5. Concentration. Multi-effect falling film evaporator. Continuous evaporation and concentration under vacuum and low temperature conditions. Concentrates the extract to a solids content of approximately 35% to 60%. 6. Drying. Spray drying tower system. Uses a high-speed centrifugal atomizer. Instant contact with hot air inside the drying tower. Forms fine, uniform coffee particles. 7. Packaging. Nitrogen flushing packaging machine. Utilizes nitrogen flushing technology for protection. Reduces oxidation and aroma loss. Supports various packaging formats, including bottles, cans, and bags.